Turkey's Artificial Intelligence Summit has kicked off in Istanbul, bringing together some of the brightest minds in tech and business. Over 2 days, industry leaders, startups and policymakers are showcasing how AI is moving beyond theory and into real-world applications. Ömer Bakkaloğlu was at the event and sent this report.
In the world of heavy industry, time literally is money. When a machine stops unexpectedly, the losses can spiral into millions. But AI is changing that, turning guesswork into foresight. At the Turkey Artificial Intelligence Summit, companies like Fizix are showing how data and machine learning can keep production lines alive and humming. The company's AI-powered sensors track vibrations, temperature, and energy flow, acting like digital doctors, but for industrial machines.
These sensors send very valuable data to our platform on the cloud, and customers, by using their mobile phones, tablets or their computers in the office or at their home, monitor their machines and see what is going on, what is the failure, what's going to be the failure in the coming months maybe.
And this is already happening at a massive scale. More than 40,000 machines across 18 different sectors are being monitored by Fizix technology, creating one of the world's largest webs of connected equipment.
We are basically working with biggest manufacturers in Turkey. And now, last year, we got the biggest smart factory project in whole Europe, with more than 10,000 sensors.
Fizix is just one example of a much larger trend. Conversations here at the Turkey Artificial Intelligence Summit isn't about what AI could do, it's about what it's already doing. And the energy in this hall is a statement that Turkey is ready to compete in the next global tech race.
Over 2 days, the summit brings together almost 2,000 professionals from 340 different AI companies, spanning sectors from finance and logistics to healthcare and heavy manufacturing.
The Turkish startup ecosystem is growing exponentially. When we started in 2017, it was about 12 startups we counted. Today we have more than 400 startups. More than 10% of them are internationally very successful. I would say it's one of the most vibrant ecosystems in the region, and with better economics and with more subsidies from the government and from other entities, the startup ecosystem will even flourish further.
Turkey's AI ambitions are scaling fast, and massive gatherings like this show that the future of industry isn't being imagined, it's being engineered right here in Istanbul. Ömer Bakkaloğlu, TRT World, Istanbul.